How to upload video from CapCut to Instagram. So here is a step-by-step guide to upload a video from CapCut to Instagram, including Reels, Stories, and Feeds. So let's get started. First of all, open the CapCut app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your CapCut account. Once inside the CapCut, open your project. You can simply tap on the new project and look through the gallery and tap on one, or you can also simply tap on the existing project. So now once done, so simply tap on the aspect ratio option available at the bottom tab. Once you tap on the aspect ratio, you can simply see Instagram option available there. Tap on it and change the ratio. Now once done, so simply tap on the export button available at the top right corner of your screen and export this video. After exported, you can simply see there is Instagram option available. Simply tap on it and tap on the open option and choose one if you want to post it on Reel, Feed or Post. Then tap on the next option, then add the caption and share it to your Instagram post. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.